Today on Man Crafts. Today on Man Crafts, the $5 lightsaber. So I plan to do this video around May the 4th because the whole May the 4th be with you thing for Star Wars. I didn't get a chance to put the video together. So I found this idea on Pinterest, and since it's Star Wars related and it's May, I figured what the hell, let's try a Star Wars pin. $5 lightsabers. DIY lightsabers. I mean, if you look at some of these, they are amazing. I don't know how they did this. All that we're using today, duct tape. I got one of these LED flashlights at the dollar store. I picked up some Sharpies, some Mod Podge, and some molding clay, and then a toilet paper roll. This is a fluorescent bulb guard. You can buy them at Lowe's or Home Depot, I presume. Now, this thing is gonna be the actual tube of the lightsaber. I just realized the dog was chewing on this. I can't believe it. The $5 lightsaber. Let's see. The first thing we gotta do. Oh man. How is step one they light up? You haven't built it yet. How's anything lighting up? I don't even understand how. The first step is gonna be making the handle, and then we'll make the saber. No wait. We'll make the saber, then make the light. I don't know. Who knows? Let's open the flashlight. All right. We've got light. And then we're gonna have to cut this thing to length too. So I guess I could do that now. When in doubt. Woo, sweet. We have to just take some of this duct tape now. Oh my god, this sucks. What the hell? Alright, now I got the tube connected. Oh, I can't believe I just broke this. So I got this crap tube now. I just gotta connect it to keep. Okay. Woo! All right. Yakety yak. Don't bet. Next step's gonna be to paint the clear tube so that it looks like color. So I'm gonna do this one in. I'm gonna do this one in red. Now that we got the tube colored in and the handle's somewhat built, now it's time to use some clay. Make this shiz a little more interesting. I'm trying to decorate it like I guess Star Wars stuff, but I don't really know much about Star Wars. It's really kind of crappy and I don't know, cheap looking, but let's see how it works. Let's kill the lights. lightsaber. I've seen stupider things on the internet. I'm sure my kids will like it. We'll use it for 5 minutes, beat the crap out of each other, and then break it. So, may the 4th be with you. Alright everybody, thanks again for dropping by and watching me put together this thing. Remember to like and subscribe. Also remember to hit that bell, which is an alert button, and to let you know every time I upload something new, so you're right on top of everything that's fast and breaking in the Minecraft world, including crap like this. Remember to share these videos as well. Share them, get them around town. Everybody get on like a bus stop. Thanks for dropping by, and from all of us here at Mancrafts, may the 4th be with you. May the 4th be with you. So stupid. Oh, they require AAAs. Son of a. I shouldn't have had that barbecue. I feel like somebody rammed a lightsaber down my throat.